Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you struggle with long readings, lectures or research, this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you exactly how you can use TurboLearn AI to create instant summaries and smart notes, which is perfect for students, professionals or anyone who wants to save time. So first of all, you will have to open your web browser and search for TurboLearn AI. Over here, you will have to simply sign up and your dashboard should look something like this. So over here, what you can do is you will see the clean dashboard with the options like record or upload your audio or provide the link of any YouTube video or uploading any document in the form of PDF or docs, etc. So here, in order to summarize, you can simply do any of these. Like you can click on the YouTube video and you can paste the link over here, and you can also upload the full essay, the news articles or even the lectures transcript. So once you have successfully done that, simply click on the generate or note option, and it is going to take some time and it will give you the response. So once it gives you the response, it will show you basically the summary of that particular video that you have entered over here or that particular essay. If you have any questions relating to that particular essay, you can simply just create a post flashcards from it, or you can even create a quiz out of it. Here if you click on the chatbot option, you can ask the questions to it about this particular transcript. So here you can type the question and press enter, and it is gonna give you the results. Now here if you go to the notes section, this is your notes, which you can simply click on the three dots in the top right hand corner and export the notes in the form of PDF. You can also create flashcards out of it. For that, you need to go to the flashcard option in the top, and here you will see all of the flashcards that you can basically get relating to the essay or the video that you have entered. So these are the flashcards and you can also download these. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.